Hey guys, what's going on? Mike and Michelle, Flying Solo Pyrotechnics. I got a demo for you tonight. It's a new product line that we've never seen before. It's Raging Bull Fireworks, which I believe is a Legend House brand, if I'm right. So anyway, I got this new product line, Raging Bull Fireworks. You got a 12-shot Black Wolf. No performance on this cake anywhere. So we'll see what it's about, man. Let us know what you think. And we'll let you know that this cake is being provided tonight by Pyro Joe's, Richmond, Michigan. Just an awesome mom and pop shop. Definitely worth getting by there and checking out. We'll put a link for them down in the description. All right, let us know what you think.